Hi, I'm Gigi. I'm an Agile coach, so I lead folks through change every day. I help them adopt more Agile practices in their everyday process. And if you're watching this video, you're probably considering making some changes yourself, but there's something holding you back. Let me tell you a little bit more about the common objections that I hear to Agile and how I help my clients navigate through their concerns. The first concern I get is, we're not a software development team. And that makes sense. Some Agile frameworks were created by developers for developers, but that's not really all Agile is. There are plenty of frameworks that can be utilized in industries that have nothing to do with software development. It's more about understanding how to make your teams more effective and giving them the speed and tools they need to deliver every single time. So let's say you are sold on going Agile, software development team or no, but you've got deadlines. You can't afford to slow down in order to speed up. The deadlines you have in the next quarter, the next 2 or 3 just can't be moved. So it's going to be hard to stop the presses and enact change right now. And I hear you. But if you're having issues meeting your deadlines now, Agile might be able to help you. Some of the top reasons that folks adopted Agile last year were so they could deliver more predictably, have more innovative designs, and at the end of the day, higher employee morale. So if you're wondering if my teams are even going to deliver, maybe we put in some Agile practices and help them become more predictable. Transformations and change in general bring with them chaos and confusion. A lot of times, this can even lead to lower morale or attrition. And asking your employees to go through a change, especially during a rough time with many deadlines, can be a hard sell. We hear you. When we enact change at all at Project Genetics, whether it's Agile or something else, our change management experts rely on a set of tools that ensure that no one gets left behind. We're here to increase your employee morale. Okay. So I've convinced you that maybe Agile will work for you and now might be the time to start, but you don't have the funding. And this is one I get a lot too. Agile is too hard to track an ROI for, so it's hard to ask for budget just to enact Agile practices. But with Project Genetics, we actually help you track 3 different kinds of Agile ROI. Where do you save money while doing the same things you always have? How can you do more while using up less money in your operations costs? And the best of both worlds, where are we decreasing your costs and increasing the value you're able to deliver to your customers? If you want to start tracking your Agile ROI or learn a little bit more about how you can do so, reach out to us and we'll help you get started. If you have any questions about leading change or how to get those no's to turn into yeses, reach out to Project Genetics. Projects are our DNA, and change management is a close second.